We are here at the Sassafras Treehouse in Rising Pond, Georgia, and I'm so excited to show you the inside. So let's go.
We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. We're a young married couple traveling all over to find the most unique Airbnbs out there and share them with you.
It is a little windy outside today, but I promise we'll get through this. I love this wooden pathway and stairs all the way up to the treehouse because it's sitting out on a ledge with some beautiful views, so just you wait. Come on. So when you first come up to the treehouse, you notice the modern black look, which we've never seen on a treehouse before. And then there's this massive door that leads right in, and it actually opens on the top and the bottom. So you can open this window portion and enjoy the nature while you're inside. Moving this way, we've got a couple of stools and bar area if you want to enjoy some drinks or a meal outside. And then coming to the best part, the amazing view off this deck. It is so awesome. This is probably one of my favorite views because it has a valley that you can see into and mountains in the distance. It's just so beautiful. And then there's a nice little seating area off to this side so you can enjoy your view and have a little place to sit. And now we are gonna go on in, so come on. It's a little toasty in here. I'm gonna take this off. So when you first walk in, you come into your little kitchenette area that is so cute and has a lot more than you realize. So they have a sink, microwave, air fryer, oven, combo all in one, a French press for coffee, and then in here they have a little stovetop eye and lots of pots, pans, dishes, everything you need for a nice delicious meal in here. And then look at these little mugs. They're so cute and perfectly placed right here in the kitchen. So another thing about this kitchen, in this little mini fridge that they have, you can actually buy a little charcuterie box to make a charcuterie board while you're here. So that's an option when you book. They also provide a s'mores kit, which is delicious because they have a fire pit out back and you can have some fun and dessert while you're here. Moving this way, you come into your little living space area. You've got a super comfortable couch, and right across the way is the record player so you can play some music. There is no TV here, so it's kind of the getaway from everything, so you can just enjoy time with your loved ones. There's also heating and air in here, so it's nice and toasty. Moving to the bathroom. You've got a beautiful vanity off to the left-hand side, and they do have a hairdryer and clothes iron in here for you. Off to the right side is my favorite part of this whole place, the gorgeous tub that looks over an incredible, amazing view, so you can enjoy this view from anywhere in here. It's awesome. And they provide some sassafras treehouse robes, so you can stay nice and comfy and cozy. And then a toilet, some decorations, plenty of towels, and just the perfect spot to relax while you're here. Let's go back this way. So we're about to go upstairs to the bedroom, but before we get there, I want to stop by this tree. It's Christmas time right now, so they have it decorated. And a super sweet touch is this little ornament that says the Sassafras Treehouse you can take home with you. And Hayden and I actually collect ornaments, so that is such an awesome touch for us. So if you stay anytime in November or December, you get to take home one of these ornaments. I mean, how cool is that? If we ever have an Airbnb again, we're definitely gonna do that.
Oh yeah.
Moving upstairs to the bedroom. And this is the master bedroom up in the top of this tower portion of the treehouse. It is surrounded in windows on each wall, so you have almost a 360-degree view. It is amazing up here. Anyways, now there are a ton of amenities outside, so Hayden is gonna show you that, so let's go.
The way that the owners have designed this outdoor area is probably one of my favorites of any place that we've been. All these massive stones that you're gonna see actually came from their property. They placed themselves. You're gonna follow this large stone path to probably what's gonna be most people's favorite amenity here at this treehouse. But coming down these steps underneath the treehouse, you've got your perfectly placed hot tub to enjoy the amazing views. And then over here, there's actually another really neat thing. They have another path that comes off of the hot tub here. It goes down to an outcropping, almost like a cliff. And it's probably not what you expect, but an outdoor shower. So you can literally shower on the rocks with the amazing view. This place is secluded and private, so nobody's gonna be able to see you. So it really is a surreal experience being out here. Now let's go back around to one more part that's really neat. Following the path past the pizza oven, you come to probably my favorite part of the property. This is your mountaintop fire pit, complete with a bed swing, and the actual fire pit itself has a grate, so you could actually cook food over the fire. And they've got tons of firewood here, so you could literally sit out here and enjoy for days if you wanted to. This place is so intentionally and well thought out in the way that they did everything. It's come together to be one of the most beautiful stays that we've done. And now Nikki and I are gonna enjoy our time here at the Sassafras Treehouse. The opportunity to meet our host Michael, and he shared what really makes this place special. A lot of the wood that you see on the inside of the treehouse came from a 110-year-old furniture store. The wooden floors, the bathroom door was actually wainscoting in that furniture store. The ladder behind me are the floor joists from that same place, and the wood that makes up the tower floor, all from that same place. And then the large front door is a Dutch door from an historic estate in Asheville, North Carolina. So not only is this place beautifully crafted, but it has a lot of repurposed wood that really makes it historical and special. And Michael and his wife actually have 3 other properties that you might have seen. They're 3 different shipping containers that sit on the opposite side of the mountain from the treehouse. And we're actually gonna go stay in the hangar, but I think the most special part about it is we get the view from both sides of the mountain, being able to stay in each of them. The hosts really have done an incredible job intentionally putting all of this together to create an out-of-this-world experience. And something special about this area, Nikki and I's very first Journey More videos were at Cloudland Canyon State Park. We are literally on top of the mountain where Cloudland is, about 5 minutes from the entrance. And so all the rock formations and everything around the treehouse, it feels like we're literally staying in Cloudland, which is super special for us, but it's also just beautiful, breathtaking out here, and we cannot wait to stay in their shipping container tonight, so you'll have to go check out that video after you watch this one. The Sassafras Treehouse here in Rising Fawn, Georgia was an incredible stay. We loved every second being here. The fact that there's no Wi-Fi, no TV, there is cell reception, so if you need it, you have it. But being disconnected from all of that, just enjoying what's here and the beautiful views, the hot tub, the fire pit, the bathtub. I know Nikki loved that bubble bath. Sleeping up in the tower, waking up to that sunrise this morning. Also, not that I didn't think it was gonna be good, but the charcuterie box that you can purchase was actually incredible.
So good.
All of the ingredients were very high quality. It ended up being a lot of food. We only ate about half of it. It was really, really good.
And it's fun because it's something to do together. You guys can make it together, be creative. So it was a nice touch. That is something that I think they do really well here is everywhere I turn, a need is met. So they have done that perfectly. And there are just little additions here and there that make this experience even better. So I really love it. And that ornament.
Oh yeah, the ornament is
So
a good touch.
sweet. We're gonna go home and hang it on our tree.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, if you want to book this place for yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. We will also link his 3 other Airbnbs on the other side of the mountain that are shipping containers. And we will also link their YouTube channel because the host actually films his entire builds. So you can go and check those out, subscribe to his YouTube channel because it is super awesome to see that as well. If you're a host of a short-term rental or an Airbnb and you want us to feature your place, you can go to our website, journeymore.com, and fill out the contact form. We would love to hear from you and work with you. But for now, come journey more with us,
And we'll see you next time.
That you can enjoy. Ooh, bye!
Step that way. Let's step that way.
Hey, whew. I'm not so winded. I think that is. Oh, sorry. That eye itch. I'll get my shoulder itch. We're all itched out.